guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jojo and today I have
Roxxie Nimmiz.
Yes, so she has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I made some DIY tutorials for home decor and also some fitness tutorials for how you can do some workouts at home. But today I'm here with Jojo who wants to do some haul on some
Home decor items, and we are doing a challenge, and the challenge is you're supposed to spend only 1,000 bob for everything that you get. So we want to see what are all the items that you can get for 1,000 bob, and at the end of it all you're going to do a haul. So if you'd like to see what she got for 1,000 shillings, you'll have to go to her channel. I'll link it in the description box below. Make sure you go and subscribe to her channel. She has really dope content. So we are waiting for the guys to open. So you can, as you can see behind me, we have a lot of people all waiting for him, and it's 9:25. Yeah, so we are here waiting, crossing our fingers that we get good stuff for 1,000 bob. That's the challenge. So guys, we've gotten quite a number of items. So we've come here and sort them out. So let me show you our box and what we got.
You can see it's full of items. The struggle was very mighty. Upper so you have to struggle for the fittest.
Yes.
Kama hauna nguvu, you can't do this.
For true, you can't. Yeah. You have to. So let me show you. Let me turn and show you what we have so far. za mtoi za kulan sijui numbers. So Roxxie is sorting everything, and we have got some very good stuff today. Hi guys, so this is weeks later and I wanted to show you the items that I got for 1,000 shillings. So remember, the challenge was everything that we were supposed to purchase was supposed to be within 1,000 bob. So let me start with this acrylic salt and pepper. If you remember the last time I did the video, I got similar one like this, exact one, and this time round I got this one. So I have a pair to complete the whole acrylic look. The next item was this bird that I got. It's a decorative bud, and what I want to do with it is, if you remember from my last video, I showed you guys this acrylic dome. So the bud is supposed to be a decorative piece, so it will go inside the dome. So this is how it will look, and Roxy gave me a very good idea. So she told me that I could get fairy lights and string them inside here. So I'm thinking I'll get a warm color and string it inside here. And this, for now, the bud is going to be here, but until I get something better, maybe I might change what will be inside the glass dome. So the bud was the second find. The other thing was glue. If you're a crafter in Kenya, you know how expensive this glue is, but I got this from Gikomba, and this was 100 bob. Yeah, reason being it's 3/4, so that's why the price went down. But if you're not lucky to get this glue in Gikomba, you can get it from Myra's Craft at Thrift Center. They do sell. The last time I bought one, it was around 1300, and it was smaller. It was a smaller size than this one. The next item, if you have been watching my videos, you know that I want to introduce color to my kitchen through my crockery, and I got this girl boss cup, and it looks brand new. It's in very good condition, no chipping, nothing. It's so nice. So I got this, and then the next item that I got to complete my 1000 bob sale was this French press. I have been getting a lot of French press from Gikomba, and if you have been following me on IG on my live shopping stories, then you'll see that I have been getting a lot of this French press. So since we were doing a challenge, I thought this would go well with the cup, and it will complete my coffee station area. So this is in perfect condition, no stains, no rust, nothing. It's very good. Hey, it looks new. And the last time I was at Carrefour, I saw this small French press, and can you imagine how much they were going for? They were going for 3,000 and something, but it was 3,000 bob, and this was less than 1,000 bob. So final item has to be this. It's heavy, it's something circular. So when I bought this, I thought I would organize my oils on top, and then I'll get my cooking mucos, and then this will be like an organizer for everything that will be on top of the kitchen counter, on the kitchen countertop. So this was the final item. So let me show you all the items that I got for 1,000 bob. And for the items, I did a collective bargaining, since the challenge was to spend 1,000 bob only. So when I was bargaining, I did everything, and I was like, I need all these things to be 1,000 bob. And I was lucky enough that I got good items for 1,000 bob. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Do you think I aced this 1,000 bob challenge? So this is everything for 1,000 bob. So let me know your comments, and also make sure you check Roxy's video. We did 1,000 bob challenge, so make sure you head over to her channel and see the items that she got for only 1,000 bob. So for me, I love thrifting because you get good quality items at an affordable price. Because I'm thinking, I've not seen this kind of cat being sold, not unless maybe Mr. Price Home. Yeah, maybe there, and definitely it will not be cheaper. And for the French press, I was shocked when I saw that they were going for 3,000 bob at Carrefour. So for this, I believe that I was lucky. I got good finds at a very reasonable price. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Which was your favorite item that I got? And let me know, did I ace the challenge? I'd love to know if the items that I got are worth 1,000 bob. So that is it for today's video. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new and you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button below. But there, it's free, you're not charged anything. And I'll see you guys next week on Friday. Bye.